everyone, it's Chiaki. Do you know what this is? I love zucchini pasta, so I bought this machine. Actually, it's rare to use it in Japan, but I wanted to show everyone a few types of kitchen items you can use it to make zucchini pasta. Actually, I have so much stuff in my kitchen, I was able to make it for different ways.
It may seem a little weird, but trust me, zucchini noodles are delicious and a great way to boost the amount of vegetable in your meal. That's not all. They are also perfect when you're on a diet and a good alternative for people with gluten or egg allergies. Alright, let's get to make some zucchini noodles. Here are the different items we will try today. First one is probably the most famous and easiest. It is usually called a vegetable slicer or spiral vegetable slicer. One of the great features is that you can make thick noodles or thin noodles, and it works with many kinds of vegetables. First, we need to choose bread that you like and prepare the zucchini. Then, just turn the handles. Nice and simple. Don't throw these leftovers out. You can use them in your sauce or another dish too. Next one is a simple spiral vegetable slicer, also called a pencil sharpener style slicer. Like the last one, it has a blade at one end and it is easy to make vegetable noodle with. Just set up the zucchini and turn the plunger end around and slowly push down. So you can see the noodles look pretty similar to the ones made with the bigger machine. But it is a little harder to use it. Okay, next let's try using different types of peelers. Can you see the blade? I have a lot of different shapes and blade types for us to try today. All the silver one here I got in Niigata, which is in the north part of Japan. These Japanese kitchen items works great and are easy to use. Each one cut different. Most of them are straight cut type. But we also have a julienne type. See, one of them makes thin cut and another makes thick cut julienne strips. Just for fun, I also tried to use a tomato peeler, but as you can see, it doesn't work well for zucchini. It is best for tomato or kiwis. If you want to make a flat noodles, like a tagliatelle or linguine, then a normal type of peeler is the best. If you use a large peeler like I did, you can even make a lasagna style noodles. Cool, eh? With all these fun kitchen toys, today we made 4 types of noodles. I hope can give 1 or 2 of these a try and enjoy with different types of pasta sauces. The combinations are endless. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe to this channel for lots more great tips and ideas. Please leave a comment below and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye! In the next video, I will show you how to make an easy and simple zucchini tomato pasta. So make sure to check it out. See you then. Bye!